In this Photoshop image short, we're going to have a look at removing people using image stacking. To do this, you're going to need a series of images taken over a period of time to eliminate the people. 10 to 15 minutes should be ample. You might need a tripod, but if you don't have one, we can align the images in Photoshop. This is the image we're going to use. It's the Hauptbahnhof in Berlin, and as you can see, this single image has quite a lot of people in it. I have about 9 images that I'm going to merge together in order to eliminate the best part of most of these people. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Photoshop and we're going to go to File, Scripts, Statistics. And here we can choose to use files that are already open. In this case we don't have any open, so we're going to browse to the files. And we have the files here that we're going to use. We select all of them. We click Open, and then we make sure that our stack mode is set to medium. You have a number of different options here, but medium is the one that we need. If you are not using a tripod, you can use the attempt to automatically align source images, and this will try and line up everything and get them all synced together. But in my case, I was using a tripod, so I don't need to check that. With that set, we just simply click OK, and we wait for Photoshop to do its thing. And there we go. It takes a little while depending on the power of your computer because there's a lot of computation that needs being done. But if we zoom in here, you can see there's a little bit of a few people here and there in the bottom, but overall most of the people have just completely disappeared, particularly from the foreground. It's a very useful tool for architectural and urban images if you want to get rid of people and there's a lot of people around. You just need to be a little bit patient, shoot a stack of images over a period of time, keep a lookout for somebody that might be standing still in the shot because they will still be in that image, but overall people tend to move and you will be able to move them out of the image using this technique. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.